Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I just want to know how are you feeling since the last week Wednesday. The man of God prayed for you for your nose. You're having a problem with your nose. How are you feeling now?
Oh, it's better, really better. I think it's gone. Not come back anymore.
All right.
Because I'm feeling my face feels smooth. I don't feel a difficulty in my face anymore.
That's good. So have you?
I think it's a nice church, and then I'm calling upon everyone to come here.
Yeah, because it's
to
where
receive what they have.
Yes.
Like me that I receive.
And do you think the man of God is being used by God?
Of course, I think like that.
Okay. There is power here.
There is
You
power.
think there is power here?
Yeah,
People must come
I
here.
saw, not feeling anymore.
You saw, and you experienced it also.
Yeah, I experienced.
Yes, that's good. We pray that God must do more things, and we ask God to use the man of God, Pastor Lucas, more.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm just praying for him.
Yes.
Yeah.
For God to bless him and use him mightily. Okay, thank you.